Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. As you find yourself clicking that like button, go ahead and slide on over to the subscribe button and click on that as well. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by March next year. Anyway, let's get to it. Today we are making a healthy gingerbread latte. First up, pour in your half a cup of boiling water into your blender. Then you'll want to take half a cup of your milk of choice and pour that into your blender. Today I'm using my homemade Hempseed milk, but you can use whatever you want. If you do want that recipe, go ahead and click the link in the description below. I also have linked the coconut milk recipe that I have made for you as well, if you prefer that. Now I'm going to take the powdered ginger and put that into my blender, followed by the nutmeg, and last but not least, the cinnamon. Now I'm going to add in my vanilla, followed by the MCT oil, and if you want to, add some collagen like I'm doing here. Now it's time to sweeten your latte. Today I'm using Lakanto granular sweetener, but you can use whatever you want. Now that everything is in your blender, go ahead and blend it all up until it's nice and creamy. And done! Here we have a beautiful, creamy gingerbread latte, perfect for the holiday season. But let's first give it a try. Delicious. Tastes like a gingerbread cookie in a cup. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe, and until next time, see you later.